Inventory is falling while buyers are still out searching for a home to buy before the end of this year, so sellers that are on the market now through the holidays will benefit. It's Friday, October 29th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis has 141 homes for sale, reflecting fewer available again this week. 29 of these homes are priced over $1 million, and that is fewer than last report. Only 14 homes came to the market over the past week, while 33 homes went under contract in just 11 days. What does that tell us about demand? Buyers are still looking for homes and buying more homes than are coming on the market. Contrary to what some believe, listing your home for sale in the fourth quarter of the year and during the holidays is actually a good thing to do. Since there are fewer homes on the market competing for more serious buyers who want to buy a home before the end of the year, sellers have more opportunity right now than waiting until the new year. 33 homes went under contract this past week, and 4 of those were over $1 million. 40 homes settled over the past week at 98.9% of the original list price. This indicates sales prices are coming into line with our normal ratios. The highest priced property to close over the past week was this waterfront estate in Bay Ridge, Annapolis, for $3,150,000. Rental inventory continues to remain low at just 14 homes for rent, averaging $2,805 per month. Those recently under application went under in 15 days, a few days longer than in the past spring, but still very quick compared to the norm. That's your Annapolis Market Snapshot for Friday, October 29th, 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Enjoy your spooky holiday weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.